This is a quick tutorial video showing you how to clone an Echo360 course section after the automatic provisioning update. There are three main steps, which are first to create a placeholder Echo360 course for a desired Blackboard course, then to clone our desired Echo360 course under the name of that placeholder, and finally to reconnect the Echo360 link in our Blackboard course to the cloned Echo360 course. Let's start by navigating into the Blackboard course that you want the cloned Echo360 section to be used for. In either the Content Market or Books and Tools, add an Echo360 link into the course. Click on your newly created Echo360 course section link to create an Echo360 course associated with that particular Blackboard course's name. This concludes the first step. Next, from within Echo360, navigate inside of the specific section that you wish to clone. Click Settings, then the Features tab on the left, then scroll to the bottom and click Clone Section. Then, in the Clone Section dialog box, choose the name of the Echo360 course that you created during the first step. Choose the term, then type a name for the section. When you are finished, click the Clone button. This concludes the second step. Finally, navigate back to your Blackboard course and delete the existing Echo360 link from it. Re-add an Echo360 link to your course via the Content Market or Books and Tools. Click on the link. Then, in the following Connect Your Echo360 content screen, click the drop-down menu for Link to Existing Section homepage. Choose the Echo360 course section that you cloned earlier. Finally, click the Continue button when you have finished making your selection. Your cloned Echo360 section is now linked to your desired Blackboard course.